Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to select code in Archicad. So we will have to pick this arrow. I don't know, we should select this text, right? So I will select the text here. How do I pick all? You know the famous the tool that we like to use in Autocad. So it's select all. So it's a very helpful tool, but when you come to Archicad, you find it's a bit different. So how do you select all in Archicad? You have to pick one and then right click on your mouse. Pick one and then right click. So first of all, I will escape those and join it. Right click. So you pick one, you right click, you can see this option. Select and activate tool. Okay. So I'm not sure. So I've selected dimension. So you cannot select text. So let me try. Alright, right click. Okay, let's say we want to pick this hat here. So I will pick. I'll pick it and then right click. So you won't select all the hats. So I'll click select and activate. You can see it option. Select and activate. So click on it. And then you come to edit and then select all tools. You can see now I've been able to select similar. You can see I've been able to select all of the things. So let's try another one. All the fields are been selected. Okay, let's move it escape. Let's say we want to select all dimensions. So I will just click on one. So let me click arrow. Select one, right click, select and activate two. Then go to edit and see file and then edit and then so click on edit, then select all dimensions. Now see, I've been able to select singular. So that's how we do it. Please subscribe to my channel.